here we are. We're talking about one of the most basic aspects of driving on the highway. It's getting on the highway. We're talking about merging. Talking about merge lanes, how to get onto it, how to do it. Somehow this is still up for debate on what to do. So let's put this to rest. Getting on a highway is designed for you to actually speed up and get up to the proper speed in order to get on the highway. However, keep in mind, this merge lane goes onto the highway. It goes into it. So while you are supposed to get up too close to the speed, it is not the responsibility of people who are already on the highway to move over for you, to brake suddenly, to cause the chain reaction. No. You are responsible when getting on the highway to do so safely, to get up to speed safely. Speed up and get up to the proper speed. Speed up and get up to the proper speed in order to get on the highway.
Yeah, if it was up to me, I would have got over it, but me too, man. It happens. Sometimes you can't get over it. Sometimes it beats like that. Yeah, sorry.